In this video, I'm going to show you how to change server on Genshin Impact on PC, mobile, and I'm also going to explain to the PlayStation people how they can do it too, but you might find that it's just not worth the hassle on there. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you how to do this on PS4 or PS5, as I can see a lot of people are searching for how to do that on other videos. And while mobile and PC can change regions while using the same account, PlayStation can't, as on PC and mobile, you log into your miHoYo account, and on PS, you can't link your miHoYo account to PSN. And that means that the game will get locked to whatever region your PlayStation account was created for. So to put it simply, if you want to play on a different server on PlayStation, you need to create a new PSN account set up for that region that you want to play in. So that's how you do it on PlayStation. But on mobile and PC, it's much simpler. But I'm going to show you on PC as it's easier for you to see. But you can follow along on mobile as the process is basically the same for PC. What you need to do on here is come to the Genshin Impact launcher and press on launch to launch the game. Next, just wait for the game to launch, of course. When you get to the start menu, you need to press here where it says what region you're in. And it says I'm in Europe, so just click on it. And you have the choice between 4 regions, including America, Europe, Asia, and TWHKMO. So just click on the server you want to change to, and I'm just going to choose America, as it will ask you if you want to switch to this server. So just press confirm. And now when you click here to begin, it will put you on that server that you chose. So for me, it would put me on American servers as I chose America. Now, one thing that you do need to note is that when playing on a new server you haven't played on before, you will have a fresh start on that server, but don't worry, your progress will be saved to the server. So if you have an account with a lot of stuff on it, you can just switch back to that server at any time and all your stuff will be saved. But anyway, that's how you change server on Genshin Impact for PlayStation, PC and mobile. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.